Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Apex Protocol token, the decentralized derivatives protocol. This token is a very well established project here with 173,000 Twitter followers. And blue verified checkmark 3,131 tweets. And this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on the Apex Protocol token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, the Apex Protocol token is being listed January 10th at 10 o'clock UTC time on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Apex, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So this token is on the Ethereum blockchain. Right now it says they have 505 holders. Price is $1.47, 18 decimal places, and a total supply of 1 billion tokens. They have a fully diluted market cap of $1.47 billion and a circulating supply market cap of a little bit over $64.5 million. Doing very well, this project here. So Apex Pro is a non-custodial trading platform that delivers permissionless cross-margined perpetual contracts to its meta community under a new social trading framework. It is primed to deliver limitless access to the perpetual swap market with its order book model, as it remains committed to the promises of not just speed and efficiency, but also security and transparency on trades executed. Built on the decentralized and permissionless Apex protocol, Apex Pro is an alternative to the Apex EAMM, which is the Elastic Automated Market Maker. On Apex EAMM, traders enjoy access to fully permissionless derivatives trading experience where they can provide liquidity on any tokens while maintaining control over their private keys. As Apex Protocol continues to stay committed to building intuitive and transparent financial instruments for crypto derivatives, traders of any background. It is also recognizing the importance of creating an ecosystem that will allow so much more for traders to enter the world of DeFi with ease and smoothly participate in a decentralized trading network. As such, we are introducing the order book model on Apex Pro with Starkware Layer 2 scalability engine StarkX, which will provide higher performing trades and an enhanced experience users are familiar with. The ultimate goal is to establish a social trading platform. The benefits are more experienced traders with more avenues of passive income, and less experienced traders can observe or replicate the behavior, signals, and strategies of other traders. Leveraging social trading allows Apex Pro to offer all traders accelerated trading performance and deep liquidity while preserving privacy and security in the decentralized space. based on the core belief that trades made together in the Web3 world are better. So why Web3 social trading? So they go over why Web3 social trading in their white paper. We can skip past that though. Let's go over things that are specific to this protocol. So it talks about decentralized social trading goals. They want to accelerate Web3 social trading development, ensure deep liquidity on the network is scaled for growing trades, allow traders to openly engage with other traders on Apex Pro to improve trading performance and earn trading rewards, foster community ownership over trading history and other personal data records, thereby reducing the risk of compromised security, incentivizing user participation of the platform by the distribution of the new reward token, fortify the social trading model with the use of soul-bound tokens, SBTs, as a non-transferable token representing a trader's trading profile, patterns, and history. Further solidify Apex Protocol's governance. Token Apex is a building foundation for other applications in the ecosystem. So you can learn more about this project by reviewing their whole white paper. They go over so some of the main things for the native token here. You can use it for governance. So the Apex token, they have two different tokens. It's a dual token economy. So the main token is the Apex token. And then the other token is BANA. It's like almost banana, you know, apes, bananas. Anyways, so Apex is the native token on the Apex protocol and serves the following utilities. Number one is governance. Token holders can submit and vote on protocol governance proposals. Protocol incentivization. Users can earn Apex tokens through participation rewards and liquidity mining on the Apex protocol. And staking. Users can stake Apex tokens to earn more rewards in Apex. A maximum supply of 1 billion Apex tokens is available. Of this amount, 23% is allocated to the core team of early investors with a 1-year cliff starting from the token generation event, followed by a 2-year linear vesting period. The remaining 77% goes to the wider Apex DAO and will be largely used for participation rewards, ecosystem building, and liquidity bootstrapping. So the other token, BANA, is from the protocol treasury. Now, like I mentioned, it's an Ethereum token. You can check out their white paper, apex.exchange. That's their webpage where you're going to find the white paper. Check out their Twitter. I'm going to put that in the corner of the screen. It is at official ApexDex, and their Telegram at ApexDex. And you can find this token newly listed as of tomorrow on Mexc Global. So check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that Mexc Global one. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.